Bill Hammond here with the Elder Law Question of the Week. You know, we used to get lots of calls and people would tell us what was going on, and we would say to them, oh, that's a simple case, just go to SRS or Children and Family Services and they can handle the application, or just have them fill out the application at the nursing home, they can take care of it. I've come to believe in recent months there are no simple applications anymore. I now believe that to do them without some kind of assistance from someone who really knows what they're doing is really penny wise and pound foolish. And I'll give you a great example. Had a client in yesterday. Seemed like a pretty simple fact pattern. Spouse was in a care center. They had sold their house a couple of years ago, and it looked like a pretty easy, simple spend down. I sat down with the family, I went through everything, and then we went ahead and got the house deeds from the recorder's office. As it turns out, there was a gift involved on the house deeds they weren't even aware of, and it was going to cause a penalty of about a $40,000 transfer, and that was going to cause about 8 months of ineligibility, which only would have been discovered after the spend down had already occurred. What that was going to mean in this case was the nursing home was going to have a great big period of time where they weren't going to get paid. Fortunately, we know how to fix this, and we will, but only because we knew what questions to ask, and because we went to the recorder's office and tracked down everything, were we able to nip that problem in the bud. I one time had a client say, when did they stop letting families be families? Well, unfortunately, that was February 8, 2006, when the DRA, the Deficit Reduction Act, was passed. And it's what's causing difficulty for so many of us. So my advice is get help. Talk to someone who knows what they're doing so you can make sure that when applications are filed that your client is going to be eligible. And of course, if you are working with someone and you've got questions and need to run something by someone, call us. We're here to help. And if you've got a question for next week's Elder Law Question of the Week, just hit the button, tell us your question, and we'll be happy to get it answered. I look forward to talking with you in the weeks and months ahead. Now have a great day.